10th class real numbers exercise 1.5 second bit. Write the following expressions as log n and find their values. First problem, log 2 plus log 5. So this is expanded form. We have to write in the form of log n, that is single logarithmic function. So log 2 plus log 5 equal to, we have formula log x plus log y equal to log xy. Log x to the base a plus log y to the base a equal to log xy to the base a. This is called product rule. Here 2 is x and 5 is y. So x equal to 2, y equal to 5. So x into y. So log 2 into 5 equal to log 2 into 5, how much? 10. So log 10, that is equal to 1. Since log 10, here nothing means base 10 is there. So log 10 base 10 value is 1. So log 10 equal to 1. Next, second problem, log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. Log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2 equal to, we have formula log x to the base a minus log y to the base a equal to log x by y to the base a. This is log x base a minus log y base a equal to log x by y base a. This is called quotient rule. Log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2 equal to log, here x by y will come. So x is 16 by y is 2. 16 by 2 base 2 equal to log 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16. So log 8 base 2. So here 2 is there. So dividing 8 with 2. 2 4 ja 2 2 ja. So 2 4 ja 8. 2 2 ja 4. So 8 equal to 2 into 2, that is equal to 2 power 3. So log 8 can be written as 2 power 3 base 2. So this 3 power 3 comes before log, since we have formula, power formula log x power n to the base a equal to n into log x to the base a. So this power 3 comes before log, will become 3 into log 2 base 2 equal to 3 into log 2 base 2, value is 1. So 3 into 1, that is equal to 3 into 1 3. So log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2 value is log 8 base 2, and that value is 3. Next, third problem, 3 log 4 base 64. 3 log 4 base 64 equal to, okay, here we can use power formula, that is n log x to the base a equal to log x power n. So this n becomes x power n. before log 3 is there, so log this 3 becomes 4 power 3. So log 4 power 3 base 64. So that is equal to log 4 power 3 equal to 4 into 4 into 4 3 times. So that is equal to 64. So log 64 to the base 64. So the log 64 base 64 value is 1. Since we have formula log a to the base a value is 1. So log 64 base 64 value is 1. Okay, next problem, fourth. 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2. 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2 equal to, okay, this before log 2 is there, so 2 becomes 3 power 2. So log 3 square minus this 3 also becomes 2 power 3. So log 2 power 3. Okay, since we have power formula n log x equal to log x to the power of n. So before log there is n, so n becomes x power n. So log 3 square minus log 2 cube equal to log 3 square, log 3 into 3 9 minus log 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 8. So equal to it is in the form of log x minus log y equal to, we have log x by y, log x to the base a minus log y to the base a equal to log x by y to the base a. So here log 9 by 8. So answer is log 9 by 8. Okay, next fifth problem, log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. Log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2 equal to, write log 10 as it is, log 10 plus, so here before log 2 is there, so 2 become 3 square. So log 3 square minus log 2. Okay, here we have applied formula n log x equal to log x to the power of n, power formula. So equal to log 10 plus log 3 square, 3 square means 3 into 3 9, so log 9 minus log 2 equal to, now we can apply formula product formula, log 10 into 9, so plus is there, it will become into, since we have log x plus log y equal to log xy. So log 10 into 9 equal to log 10 into 9, how much? 90. Log 90 minus log 2 equal to, okay, if here minus is there, so it will become divide. So log x minus log y equal to log x by y. This is quotient rule. So log 90 by 2, so equal to 2 1 ja 2 4 ja 8, leaves remainder 1, so it will become 10. So 2 5 ja 10, so log 45. So the answer is log 45. In this exercise we used these formulas. First one, product rule, log x to the base a plus log y to the base a equal to log xy to the base a. Next second one is quotient rule, log x to the base a minus log y to the base a equal to log x by y to the base a. Next Third one is power rule. Log x to the power of n to the base a equal to n into log x to the base a. Next, fourth one is log a to the base a equal to 1. So remember these formulas. These four formulas we used in this exercise. So keep in your mind.